got poo on you still.
I do. I know.
You didn't take it off.
I can't wash it off. I don't like having that.
He's in a different outfit today. Does he still have his frog?
Yeah, he actually has a whole bunch of frogs in the background.
What? That's so cool.
But he's a lost boy today. So.
He's a lost boy, I see. He's being a bunny lost boy. We'll call him, how about Hops?
Hops?
Yeah.
Hops? Yeah, he hops.
He hops around like a little lost boy.
If you get some pixie dust, then he can like fly hop.
I think that's perfect. We'll get some from Tinkerbell. Except actually she wasn't really sharing this morning because I already told her to give like a whole bunch of pixie dust to that big old Yeti that's up on the mountain.
The mean one in the mountain?
Yeah. No, he's not mean. His name's actually, do you know his name?
No.
It's Rapunzel.
His name's Rapunzel?
Yeah, because he has so much hair.
Oh.
Yeah, and so we actually made him fly around, and then we sent him on Captain Hook.
Oh, that's why he ran away so fast.
Yeah, it was really funny. You want to take a picture, girl?
Yes, please.
Do this. Cheese.
Cheese.
Goodbye, girl.
Bye, Peter.
Nice to see you again. Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, dear.
So wonderful to see you again.
Look at you. You look like you jumped out of a chalk drawing this morning.
Absolutely.
Quite lovely.
Yeah, I like the colour scheme that you went with this time.
I do too.
Absolutely.
But these colours, where exactly were you going?
Just kind of everywhere. I brought a little bunny.
Oh, look at your bunny. So
green.
interesting. I can't say I've ever seen a bunny like this.
Perhaps you ran out of grey and you had to use the green chalk.
That's probably, yeah.
Probable, right?
And then I got creative. I thought I'd just do some like extra pointy bunny.
Yeah,
I like
you know.
that, yes. So you could
Just
hear
in case
better.
these ears get plugged, they have their extra ears to hear with.
You can hear
Certainly.
every direction too, right?
Oh, I do.
You know, you can hear you and you can also hear.
If only the children were like this too.
4 years?
Yes, they could hear every instruction they're given.
Yeah, no, that's a good idea.
And they could hear all the music and the
Oh,
laughter.
yeah, and you can hear every sort of,
The fun things too.
octave.
Oh, yes.
Multi-octave ears.
Oh, my.
This is getting wild.
It is, isn't it?
Like bat ears.
Yeah, your bunny has really inspired a lot.
Perhaps this rabbit could hear echolocation.
Oh.
Like, is it dolphins, whales?
Yeah, we'll get a bunch of them together and we'll just have a fluffle of symphony hearers. That's what a group of bunnies is called.
Is it?
Yeah, it's called a fluffle.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, a group of penguins is called a rookery too.
I didn't know that.
Learn something new every day.
I
Yeah.
know a group of walrus is a walrus.
Do we know which group of penguins is called?
A rookery.
Oh, that's what you just said.
Yeah.
I've tuned that
We
right
got
now.
it's right. We got mixed up with all the different sort of names for all of
I need 4 ears is the problem.
Yeah.
Or maybe he can draw some.
I like that idea.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Except I don't want them green.
No,
Say that right
okay,
now.
no green. It was so lovely to see you again.
And the bunny.
Oh,
And the
yeah.
bunny. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a jolly holiday.
What's this?
Oh, this is a little alien dressed like Thumper.
Kind of looks like my little monkey Abu. You go on a lot of adventures together as well?
Yes.
Yeah, well, I brought Abu here today. You haven't happened to see a monkey anywhere, have you?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not
Okay.
yet.
You know, you can always lure him out with some churros. They're his favorite.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. And make sure you look up as well. He likes to climb the trees here.
Does he go on the rides?
I don't know. He lets you go on a magic carpet ride.
Oh, yeah.
Loves that, though. So, yeah, keep your eyes up for me, okay?
I entered all the churro cards. Check all the cards for you.
Exactly. Always one jump ahead, huh? And it's good to see you.
You too.
Let me know if you find Abu, okay?
Oh, I will. I'll buy him a churro.
Bye.
Who's this friend you brought with you?
Oh, this is a little Thumper.
Thumper? Oh, how cute! Fawn would love this. So that doesn't look like a bunny.
He's an alien pretending to be a bunny.
Oh, so he's in disguise.
Yeah, it's like the Lost Boys, right?
Okay. And he's not a person pretending to be a pirate, right?
Him?
He just... No, I mean, wait, I got all mixed up. He's not a pirate pretending to be a person. Pirates aren't people. Fun fact.
I believe that.
He's not a pirate because he's got a hat on.
But he actually has a
Could
pirate
be.
on his shirt too.
Could be.
There's a skull and crossbone. So
I knew I felt something.
Yeah, I know,
I felt
right?
something strange. Anyway, not gonna look at that. You having a fun day?
Yeah, so far. You're the first person we saw.
Oh, don't flitter me. Well, you look wonderful, friend. You remind me of your Odessa. Would you like to grab some portraits together?
Yes, please. I think.
Fly with you later.
Aha, it's you again.
Yes,
And
please.
speaking of these little gremlins here, you've got a new outfit for them, I see.
Oh, he's Thumper. He's a rabbit right now.
Oh, I see.
Or, I mean, you can just pretend he's extra funny as well.
No, they're not the same, don't you see? They need to be golden horns like mine, right? I think so, anyway. Anyway, he seems to be on his best behavior as well.
So far.
So far. Well, the day is still young, you know. Who knows what can happen later?
I mean, he bit a few ankles on the way. But
Really?
Yes.
You're an ankle biter?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work. Goodness gracious. Well, you know what this means, don't you? We must, of course, commemorate the meeting of the two minds here. You can join us as well.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you
So
very much.
kind.
But you are the star of this photograph. So unpredictable, I love it.
Brought you another little bunny to visit you. You probably, oh yeah, he's Thumper. He's Thumper from Bambi. Yeah. Well, he's Kiwi the alien dressed like Thumper. He actually has a costume just like you, but I left it at my hotel. So I didn't know you were going to be here today. I'll bring it tomorrow though. And now you don't have to cry about it, right? Oh, you like my poo of yours? Oh, I actually have the whole 100-acre wood on my shirt too. There's a map of it back there.
That's so cool.
I think yeah, your house is on there too. Yeah. In case you ever get lost, you can like.
Yeah, it's got the map. That is very useful.
Yeah.
Point us back to the garden.
Hi, Jonah. Oh, today I brought a little Thumper from Bambi. Yep, he's thumping. I mean, he would be thumping, but he doesn't have any legs. He can't. He can kind of just like hop, right? Yeah. There you go. Look, he's hopping away. Hi guys. Oh, this is my little Kiwi. He's dressed like Thumper from Bambi today. He's a little baby. Oh, he's taking a nap right now. This music's like a lullaby to him, right? I brought you a little comfort today. I wished for a rabbit and he came out of a hat, so that's how I got him. Hopping on. Thank you, Jeannie. Oh, such a gentleman. Thank you. Hi, Clarabelle. Oh, sorry. Oh, I brought Kiwi to meet you. He's dressed like Thumper today. Hops around. Bye, Clarabelle. Hi, Dana. Oh, his name's Kiwi. He's Thumper today. Oh, yeah, he's got very soft fur. Oh, he can feel you. Your soft hair matches fur. He's here just like hopping around for Easter. Kind of like super early for Easter, I guess. Hi, Daisy. Oh, this is Kiwi, and he's dressed like Thumper today. Oh, you like his outfit? Oh, perfect. And her ears. Thank you, Daisy. Bye.
Hi, Goofy.
Oh, pleased to meet you. Oh, you like my dress? Oh, yeah. It's kind of your style, right? I brought little Thumper to meet you because you guys have matching ears, kind of, right? These are just pointy ears. Can we take a picture? Yeah. Bye, Goofy. Hi, Minnie. Oh, I love your dress. Fabulous. Love it. Oh, you like my ears? Oh, we match. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Click any of these videos for more character fun, and be sure to subscribe for more Disney magic. See you next time.